Assalamu alaikum. Here is Roshni with CID News Network Islamabad. Today's English headlines. Posters with PM Imran COAS Bajwa pictures put up in IIOJK. The people of Indian illegally occupied Jammu and Kashmir have put up posters carrying pictures of Prime Minister Imran Khan and Chief of Army Staff General Qamar Javed Bajwa in parts of the held territory. PM Imran performs groundbreaking of low-cost housing project in Nowshera. Prime Minister Imran Khan laid the foundation stone of a low-cost housing scheme in Nowshera. Government to announce new restrictions on Friday as COVID-19 situation worsened. Pakistan witnessed the highest number of deaths from COVID-19 this week, National Command and Operations Center head Asad Umar said. 669 TLP workers set free, Saad Rizvi to face court, Interior Minister. 669 workers of the recently outlawed Tehreek-e-Labbaik Pakistan arrested under the maintenance of public order have been set free, Interior Minister Sheikh Rashid said. Meat sellers move SHC. Meat seller move SHC for rising mutton and beef prices. The Meat Merchant Association approached the Sindh High Court seeking an increase in the rates of beef and mutton during the month of Ramadan. At least 12 killed, 20 injured as passenger bus collides with van in Khairpur. At least 12 people lost their lives and 20 others got injured in a deadly road crash in Khairpur. Pakistan reports 148 COVID deaths, 5,499 new infections. This is the end of today's news. If you didn't subscribe our channel yet, please subscribe it, like it, share it and comments on it. Don't forget to follow us on Facebook. Take care and stay tuned with CID News Network Islamabad. Goodbye.
You are watching CID News Network Islamabad.